Overwatering your garden is like just asking for root rot and fungal diseases, so if you want your plants to thrive, getting your watering routine right is key. So, first off, you want to feel the soil about 2 inches down. If it's still damp, your plants can totally wait before you water again. Try to water early in the morning because that gives the soil time to dry out during the day and helps keep fungal diseases at bay. Go for deep, slow watering instead of just sprinkling the top. This pushes the roots to grow down and makes your plants stronger. Honestly, mulch is a lifesaver. It keeps moisture in, but also stops water from splashing up on the leaves, which can spread disease. If you can, use a soaker hose or drip line since it targets the roots and avoids wetting the leaves. You know, grouping plants with similar water needs makes things so much easier and keeps everyone happy. Also, don't forget to check drainage. If water is just sitting there after you water, that's a sign you need to fix it with raised beds or by loosening up the soil. And always keep an eye out for yellowing leaves or mushy stems. Those are classic signs you might be overdoing it. One of the main mistakes folks make with preventing fungal diseases in their gardens is watering late in the day, which means moisture sits on leaves overnight, and that's a party for fungus. Just switch to morning watering to fix that. Another big issue is not checking the soil moisture before watering. People just stick to a schedule instead of feeling the soil, so always do that finger test first to avoid soggy roots and root rot. The last common problem is poor drainage, especially in heavy clay soils, which turns your garden into a swamp and breeds disease. Adding compost or creating raised beds can really help water flow better and keep roots healthy. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing, whether you need a garden expert or someone for a bigger project. If you are a contractor trying to get more jobs and connect with local clients who value quality work, BigHomeProjects.com is where you want to be.